So on this 2022 Ford Edge, I can't find any information on how to take the condenser out, so we are gonna do it without instructions. So far, taking out these 10s on the top here. There's 4. There's clips right here. You'll pull back and just pull it out. I'm not ready for that yet. Right along the edge, they're probably 7s. And there's quite a few of them underneath the edge there. And then that's all I know for now. But maybe we're going to be showing you guys how we're going to be taking out this 2022 Ford Edge condenser today. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do after taking out those upper bolts there is I'm going to get over here in the wheel well, and we're going to take out these 7s that are holding the wheel well cover. I don't know if I'm going to take them all out. Whatever my hand can fit into, and I can get that little screw that's right here that's holding this bumper in, that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws out, and then you can pull this back. And there's 3 screws in there that you have to get that are right lined up. 1, 2, and 3 in this bumper area. It's hard to show you where it's at on the phone, but once you look right in this spot, you can see the 10 mils facing upwards like that. Just get into it, take them out, and let's see where we go from there. Okay, so yeah, you take out the 3 bolts, and my mistake, they are not 10 mils, they are 8. But once you get those 3 out, here, here, and here, of course, like I said, they're facing right here upward once you get in there. I thought this was a problem at first. I thought this was gonna be one of those tabs, and we were gonna have to get on the other side and pull it out, and that's what was sticking to it. So nope, not at all. So if you notice, everything's ready to come off. Is that gonna help us get the condenser off? Only time will tell, and we'll find out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so once you get all these other screws, or get down here first before you take the other ones off, there's some on the edge here. There's 7s you'll have to take off. You know, just go all the way around and take them off so you can break loose what's holding the bottom of the bumper there. And then it should just come right off. I don't see any fog lights, sensors. I don't know what the sensors are connected to. We'll have to figure that out and check it out. But, you know, take off with caution, of course. So now we got the bumper taken off, as you can see. You can put down that screwdriver. Also, I'm taking off the connection to the hood and the connection that went down here. And we're going to take off this piece here, which it just unclips over here. And then you got to get, I'm going to say, what size? 10. We're going to do a 10 mil on each side of this. And take those out, and this should come out and give us more room to see where that condenser is actually located and what we got to do to take it out. So I had to put the bumper back on real quick, which all I did was pick it up and put it on the tabs right here, so it's just chilling, all right? You have to get back underneath the vehicle, take off the whole cover, all those 7s. I'm not counting them, there's plenty. But once you get down there, I'm going to say this bar is gonna have to come off. You got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on the other end. Now it's gonna make everything dangle, I believe. But I believe this is how the condenser is gonna come out. I don't know what any of that writing means. But that's the next step we're gonna try. So I'm going to take the bumper back off. We're going to loosen the two bolts that are holding the condenser and the 2 lines that are on the condenser, and have it ready and loose while I take that bottom piece off. And we're going to try to take it off from the bottom and see how that works. So here we go. Okay, so after taking off the bar on the bottom, get over here and turn these. Grab a screwdriver, lift up right here on this piece, and turn. Now, your radiator is going to fall. It's going to be dangling. But that's what gives you the room to grab it and pull out that condenser. And that's how we got it out. And just reverse the process of putting it back in. Here's our new one. We will have it in shortly. So all in all, was this Ford that hard to do? No, it wasn't. Was it time consuming? No, it wasn't. We started at about 8:30 this morning and got done a little bit after 11. So really, with 2 people, it's not that hard, and it wasn't that bad to do. A lot of 7 mils to take off underneath the bumper, uppers, and the bumper just came off a lot more easier than some of the other cars. But I'll do it again.
Hope to see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. Peace out, everybody.